Ratchet!
Always seems to me sorry seems to be the hardest word.
Forgive me.
I'm sorry I'm bad. I'm sorry I'm Bill. I'm sorry.
General, what are you doing?
I'm sorry I don't understand. I'm sorry for you. I'm sorry.
General, will you just stop for a second?
I'm sorry, baby, I'm sorry. Yeah, I know it sucks, girl, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you. I'm sorry.